Dear audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited. It's a registered entity, registered enterprise in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is based in USA, Washington DC. I started this journey, as you know, around 8 years ago. Now, Global CEO Club has its wonderful and strong existence across the globe. Mr. Nisar A. Latif, CEO of Solar Sigma Limited, is with us. I request Mr. Nisar, please share with us your brief and detailed introduction of Solar Sigma Limited.
Hi everyone, my name is Nisar Latif. I am CEO of Solar Sigma Limited. Solar Sigma Limited is 12 years old Pakistani based company, especially in solar and related products. We have tested all the technologies in inverters and batteries. Ultimately, we have decided that NSDS is the best product for Solar Sigma. Solar Sigma Limited is the pioneer company in Pakistan in net metering. We are the one who have installed the first net metering system in Pakistan, and with the collaboration of REAP, PSA, AEDB, NEPRA, we helped to develop the processes and procedures. Now you can see that 50 gigawatt of solar has been installed in Pakistan, and we have good contribution in this. Solar Sigma always believes in the quality products, especially the A plus grade quality products. Our products are tested with very high temperatures so that especially the hybrid inverters, the failure point is because of the heat. So our products are tested in scorching heat of desert. That means in case of 50 plus degrees Celsius ambient temperature, our products, batteries and inverters which are IP66, they are working fine. And the best part is that our batteries are compatible with all renowned brands of inverters, as well as the inverters are compatible with all the renowned brands of batteries.
Thank you, Mr. Nisar. As I mentioned, Global CEO Club is willingly happy to announce that investments can be arranged through Global CEO Club for green energy projects. If you have mega projects like $5 million, $10 million, or even more, if you have even $100 million project in either country of the world, Global CEO Club can facilitate you people to have arrangement for the investments. FDIs is a core activity of Global CEO Club. I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that you people can be flourished, can be grown across the globe. Business opportunities can be generated to support you people across the world. So thank you, Mr. Nisar, and I'm very grateful to you. Have a wonderful evening.